So the brand sent me this Flawless brush to review. So what I've noticed about it and what I like about it is the handle. For one, it's a wooden handle. I've had this and I've been using this for a few weeks now. Some people have mentioned in the comments that the handle has came off, but I don't know if they're applying this extremely hard or if they're having a kid use it. I don't really know, but I'm sitting here bending this and I do not foresee the handle breaking off or coming off. I mean, I'm pulling this and I don't see that happening. So I'm not sure how that's happening to some of you out there. However, I like how little it is and compact it is, where I can fit it in my little makeup bag. I have a makeup bag that is about this size. I can fit this right in here, or you can do it in a purse. I like how soft these brushes is, and I'm gonna put some, I have some foundation here in my hand. I'm gonna put some on my face. This is really gonna be good and helpful for any type of cream, any type of face mask you might use, or obviously liquid foundation. It goes on really nice and smooth. It does not cake, and it goes on like seamlessly. See, look at that. That looks so good the way it goes on. And I think I grabbed the wrong color here for my foundation, but that's okay. I just want to show you how nice that applies to your skin. It's just like very, look at that. It just goes on seamlessly. It does not cake and it does not crack, and it just goes on very nice. So this really gives you a good picture on how it will go on. Let me just show you up close.